Hello, Jonathan here with CentralSound. Here is an Aviation Headset X, also known as the A10 as well, made by Bose. These are discontinued, and we sell replacement parts for this model. We have replacement ear pads, the replacement ear cup holders, the Yoke piece. That seems to break quite often. And also we have a replacement battery cover for the controller. So a common problem with the original battery cover is it gets brittle and it cracks and it breaks. So if you got tape holding this in place or something else, we have our own custom battery cover that we redesigned, and also with custom upgraded materials. So this is the original one, and there was a small plastic piece here that kind of holds it that broke off. And here is our original CentralSound upgraded part. It has ridges on here for a better grip. Also, it has a matte type of finish, so it also has a better grip as well, which is definitely enhanced when it comes to holding the controller to keep it in your hands and secure. If you need this part, you can see us at centralsound.co. We also have other replacement parts for this model as well.